Here's what you need to know about a car service brake assist. The majority of contemporary cars come equipped with a brake assist system. The safety systems of different vehicles have continued to be improved by car manufacturers by introducing new key features. Along with StabiliTrak, traction control, and the anti-lock braking system, the service brake assist is a key safety feature. This brake system is intended to enhance regular braking performance, particularly in emergency situations. By facilitating quicker stops when required for drivers who may experience braking issues, this system is designed to help prevent accidents. Well, in this video, we'll cover the most important things you need to know about service brake assist system. So, let's get to it. What is brake assist? Brake assist is designed to make normal braking much better, particularly in emergency situations. This is not intended to replace the driver's regular braking operation. Rather, it is meant to improve the effectiveness of the braking operation through the application of additional pressure as necessary. It does this by utilizing computer software and sensors installed in your car's system to detect when an accident is imminent or when you will require more stopping power than usual. The brake assist kicks in automatically at this point and increases the pressure on your brakes until you come to a complete stop. What does service brake assist mean? When the service brake assist warning appears on the dashboard, the brake assist system has malfunctioned. It's possible that a brake sensor has failed or that the brake system doesn't have adequate pressure. In either case, it needs to be examined right away. The amount of pressure being applied to the brake pedal is monitored by brake assist. In the event of an emergency, this cutting-edge system provides extra power if additional pressure is required. How does the emergency brake assist system work? The emergency brake assist fully depresses the brake pedal when the car detects that the brake is being applied to bring the car to a sudden stop. When the sensor detects an unexpected engagement of the brake pedal, additional braking force is released. The system's purpose is to protect the driver from the risks associated with emergency braking when a proper response is not made. In an emergency, this feature cooperates with the anti-lock braking system to effectively engage the brakes. Why is the brake assist system important? The brake pedal's pressure is measured by the brake assist system. It ensures that there is enough pressure to prevent collisions from happening during an emergency stop. Additional hydraulic pressure will also be applied if the system detects that a quick stop is required but the pedal hasn't been fully depressed. As a result of the increased pressure, the distance gets smaller until the car comes to a complete stop. It can prevent an accident from happening, which is incredibly helpful. Hey, if you're finding these brake assist insights valuable, make sure you're subscribed so you won't miss any of our upcoming car service tips. Hit that subscribe button now, and let's continue exploring brake assist. Now, what is the difference between brake assist and the ABS system? One advanced safety feature found in some contemporary vehicles is brake assist. It differs from anti-lock brakes, ABS, which are now included on all modern vehicles. Nevertheless, the purpose of both systems is to enhance braking performance. In an emergency, brake assist can provide more pressure to the brake pedal. It aids drivers in stopping before an accident takes place. However, if the wheels begin to lock up, ABS keeps the vehicle's brakes in place. It gives the car more control. ABS also prevents the wheels from locking up, allowing you to safely stop your vehicle. Are brake assist and automatic emergency braking the same thing? While automatic emergency braking and brake assist might sound similar, they are not the same. You will feel pressure from the brake assist. The sophisticated system will provide the extra boost you require if you press the pedal, but not hard enough for the circumstances. What causes the service brake assist light to come on? Low brake fluid. Issues with the connection. Worn brake pads. Vacuum leaks. Faulty brake booster. How can you fix the service brake assist? Reset the service brake assist light. Read trouble codes. Check for both vacuum leaks and check valve. Check the brake pressure sensor. Replace the brake booster. Check brake fluid. Thanks for joining us in exploring service brake assist. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more car service insights. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.